Okay, so here's my Royers, and there's James's other Royers. And so here's the deal with the Royers. Come up here and I'll tell you. So, first time I put these boots on, they're 5702 GTs, and obviously they're welding boots, but I put them on and they were so comfortable. I couldn't believe how comfortable they are when I first put them on. So I took a crazy chance and I wore them for the first time for any length of time at a convention. Cement floor, Motorama, which was really cool because everyone's a welder there, and these boots have been fantastic. So I would highly recommend these boots to anyone because they're great steel toes, but they're also just really, really awesome. Okay, that's it. Thumbs up for Royers. Thanks to all the people at Royers. You people make good boots. Bye.